What's going on, you guys? Thomas here, and today we are going to be dismantling 3 different types of pens to see how they differ. So, first of all, let's go with this non-clicky erasable pen. You just pull the cap off and write, and then you can erase. So, let's just unscrew it. In the inside of this one, we have an ink capsule. This, the top, or the part that holds it in. Oh. So that basically when it puts it on, you put it on there, and when you write, that's how it works. Quickly grab that. So when you write, it's basically the grip part. Here's the cap for the grip. Inside there, nothing really. And here's the back piece that holds the ink capsule. But there's nothing really in there. So now here we have the eraser. And let me focus on the back, so you guys can sort of see there's a little hole, and that hole is holding the eraser in. But anyway, let's put that aside and get to the next pen. Here we have a pen that clicks from the top. So let's pull this off. So usually with these, you screw this part off, and inside here we have the bottom of the pen, and then a spring for the clicking mechanism. Just put that right there. Alright, so here we have these 2 pieces, and then the grip just comes right off. It's actually, you'll think that it's soft, but it's actually pretty hard. As you can see, if I try to squeeze it, won't move at all. And then inside there, we have this piece right here. It's just the part that screws it in and holds it all together. And that can just unscrew and be pulled off. And we have another little piece. I think this piece just kind of helps it click into there. Once we're here, we can pull right out the ink capsule. And then this little piece will fall out right here. Basically, this is what allows the clicking mechanism to work with the spring. So here's what we got out of that pen. Now let's move on to the next pen. This pen just clicks right from here. Push it down, click, push it back up, clicks again. So this pen is a little bit different. Unscrew this bit, a little bit different than the other clicky pen. If we unscrew it, you can just pull out this. Sorry, my dog is making weird noises. This is the ink capsule, and here's the top piece. Then inside is the quick flashlight. It's not really much inside there. If you look in there, right at the green part, when I move this, the green part moves, and that's what pushes it. See, this pen doesn't even have a spring. But anyway, so here's the part of the clicky pen. The friction clicky pen. Here are the parts of the green pen. A lot more. Way more parts. And then here are the parts of the simple pen. So, yeah guys, pretty much. If you enjoyed this video, please do leave a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.